Hello everyone, welcome to Profit with the Python channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a fully automated crypto trading bot that runs 24/7 and manages all your positions automatically. Before we start, you should have at least a basic understanding of a Python program because this channel is not about teaching a Python basics, it's about using Python to build real profitable projects. If you are comfortable with Python fundamentals, then let's go. This bot connects to Get.io exchange through their API and receives trading signals via webhooks. In this tutorial, we will test it locally using Postman. I will also show you how to set up a trading view alerts so that once you deploy this bot to your server, you can have fully automatic trading. So this bot will automatically places a buy orders with all your available balances, sets a stop loss at some X percentage below your entry price. It also moves the stop loss to break even, activates a trailing take profit after some profit, and automatically sells when the price retraces like 2% from the peak. By the end of this video, you will have a working trading bot that you can customize and deploy. All the code will be available on my GitHub and link is in the description. Let's get started. First, let's create our project directory and set up a virtual environment. I'm working on my Mac OS, but this works also on Windows and Linux too. First, I'm going to switch to the desktop and then let's create our project directory. Let's make sure if it is already created. As you see, we don't have anything in our project directory here. So the next step is let's create a Python virtual environment. This keeps our project dependencies isolated. First, I'm going to deactivate my Anaconda environment. Then I will activate our virtual environment. As you see, we have created our virtual environment and also activated it, and we don't have anything else here in our project. We only have virtual environment folder. So let's open the project into the VS Code. So let's create our requirement.txt file. Here, Flask is our web form that will receive a webhook alerts from TradingView, and Get-API is the official Python SDK for Get.io exchange. So let's save it and then let's install these requirements to our project. Now I will use a pip to install this requirements to our project. It's successfully installed. Then let's clear our terminal. Okay, great. All dependencies are installed. Now let's move on to configuration. So we need to create our configuration file for our API credentials. We will store our Get.io API key and secret key here. First, you need to get your API credentials from Get.io, log into your Get.io account, then go to API management and create a new API key. Make sure to enable spot trading permissions. So let's see how we can get our API key from the exchange. So you will go to your profile and then we will go to API key management and then we will create our API key and then we will select trading account. So let's give a name. So you can give here for any permission you want. So this example, I will select spot trading and then also wallet, but this one to only read only because we need to see the balance of our account, and then also here and then read only. But spot trading we will select read and write because we need to execute buy and sell orders. So we will say submit. You should confirm, then you will click I accept it. Then you will write your fund password and email. You should click send to get this email verification code, and then you will put here also. Then you will click confirm. So you will get your API key and secret key. So let's go back to our project. I added my API key and secret key. As you see here, you see my API and secret key, but I will delete this one after this tutorial because this is for demo. Now for the main part, the trading bot code, I will create a file called trading something like that, trading Get.io, something like that, bot.py, and walk you through the key sections. So let's create our file. Let's say get trading bot.py. So the complete code is on my GitHub, but let me show you the important parts here. So here at the top we have all our imports, Flask for the webhook server, Get API for exchange integration and other utilities. So here is our most important part and our trading strategy configuration. We have a stop loss of 1% here. This is a decimal. We have also here a move stop loss to break even after 2% of profit. We also have here 4% for profit, and this makes our trailing take profit activated. And also we have here our exit strategy and this is when the price drop is 2% from the peak price, 4% of our TP target or take profit. These are all your strategy parameters in one place. You can easily adjust these percentages based on your risk tolerance and trading strategy. Let me also add here some colors so we can easily read our terminal. So now here we are going to set up our Flask app, and here we have imported our API keys and API secret key from our configuration file. So we are going to store all our active trading positions to this open positions dictionary. Next, we need to have our webhook endpoint. This is what receives the trading signal from TradingView or Postman. So here is our webhook endpoint. This function receives a JSON payload with the three things: action, buy or sell, ticker like Bitcoin, USDT, and then current price based on the action, and then it calls either to buy or sell function. Before we implement here our buy or sell function, we need first to check whether the user have enough money or USDT to his account. So here we are going to put get available balance and then get a minimum order size. So after we check the user's balance, then we can easily execute the buy order or sell order. So after we check the user's balance, let's now add our buy order function. I will put here the function. So this is a little bit longer, but you can make your own. So we need this text ticker and price parameters. So the buy function is where the magic happens. Let me walk you through what it does. First, it gets your available USDT balance, then it validates that you have enough balance to trade, then it gets market requirement from Get.io, things like minimum order size or and price of position. Then this also creates a market buy order, because we are not going to use here any limit order, we are going to use a market buy order. So using all your available USDT, and this waits for the order to be filled. Then it calculates the initial stop loss at 1% below the entry price, stores all the positions data, and then starts a monitoring trade to watch the position. So let's go to now write our monitor positioning function, because as you see right now we don't have any monitor position function. So let's also create this one here. So here we will create our monitoring position monitoring function. So this is the core of our automatic trading risk management. This function runs in a background trade and continuously monitors your position. So this monitor positioning function will do really 4 important tasks. The first one is a stop loss check. If the price drops to your stop loss level, it immediately sells your position. So this will also check your break-even adjustment. Once you are up like 2% profit, it moves your stop loss to your entry price. This means you can't lose your money anymore. You are guaranteed to break even at worst. And here it is a trailing take profit activation. After 4% profit, it activates trailing mode. Now it tracks the peak price, and then trailing exit. If the price drops 2% from the peak, it takes profit and closes the position. So this way you capture big moves while protecting your downside. If you are really finding this tutorial valuable and wanted to see more content like this, automatic trading bots, Python automation tools, real income generation projects, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. This is a new channel, so I'm really asking you to help me this to grow up. I create videos on turning Python skills into profit, from live trading bot builds to real case studies of tools I have built and sold, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss. So as you see here, we don't have this execute market sell function. So let's create our sell function, and then let's start our Flask here. We're going to use a port 5000. So now let's test the bot, and I will show you how to set up a TradingView alerts for when you really deploy this one. But currently let's first use Postman to test this project. So as you see here, I have this account. I added this account to 10 USDT to test this project. So let's first test and run our bot. As you see right now, our bot is running. So let's go to our Postman and to send some alert to this project if it is working. So now let's test the bot, and I will show you how to set up TradingView alerts when you deploy this. Since we are running locally on our computer at localhost, TradingView can't reach it directly. Needs some like public URL. So for testing, we will use Postman to simulate webhook signals. So let's run our Postman here. So first, what we need here is we should select our JSON prompt. So this is what I'm going to send. I'm going to send this Sapien USDT. Let's say the price is like 3 cent, like 12 cent, and then the action is buy and the ticker is Sapien. So you can make here also like Bitcoin, you can say like that, but I'm going now to use this Sapien. We need here to have our webhook URL. So this is our URL. So let's put here and let's check what was our webhook URL to make you clear. So we have this one, webhook. So let's add here also webhook. So now we have the complete webhook URL here, and the action should be a post. So let's check if this bot get is signal and executes this. So as you see now, I have in my account only 10 USDT here. So let's send and check if this works. Let me make this one like here and put this one like this to check all the things working. I'm going to send first. Let me send first here, and then we will check. Let's say send. As you see here also in the account, it already executed, and then it here checks like current price, enter price, stop loss, and peak price, and then target price. So it will automatically monitor. And here, if I refresh here in my account, let me refresh. As you see here, it is it put like 81 coins of Sapien. So as you see here, it's working and activated the buy order and monitors our position here. So now when you deploy your bot server with the public URL, here is how you can connect it to TradingView, and then I will show you. First, we are going to check TradingView. This is like Sapien here. So now it put here like this one. So when you are going to create a signal, you should go alert. So you will add here this message. So you can add also you can give any name to your alert if you want. And the most important thing is also to go here notification and enable a webhook URL, and then you should add here your url.com then /webhook. So this is how you're going to create your signal from TradingView. So whenever a TradingView sends a signal, the bot will automatically execute the buy order. So you can also select here the condition. For example, if the price goes to like the place you wanted. For example, let's say you are tracking this Sapien and you wanted when it comes to here to buy. So for example, here it's like 12. So you can click here alert, then you will put here 12 and then the message put here, and then notification webhook URL, and then create. So when this coin Sapien comes to 12 cent, it will automatically execute your order. So here TradingView will automatically replace a ticker with the actual trading pair like Bitcoin /USDT, and this close with the current closing price. Yes, and that's it. Once your bot deployed on a server, TradingView will automatically send signals to it, and your bot will execute trades 24/7 without you lifting a finger. You see here current price monitoring. It's a real time entry price where we put a stop loss level in a red, and also peak price tracking, target profit. You can also see here current profit loss percentage. This is very interesting, and the bot is running now autonomously. It will manage this position until it hit a stop loss or the take profit without you doing anything. So before I close this, a few important tips. Please never share your config.py file or expose your API keys. Keep them private, and also always test with a small amount first. Make sure the bot works as expected before using larger capital, and also please keep an eye on your bot, especially in the beginning. Check the terminal output regularly, and also you can adjust all those percentage values at the top of the code like stop loss, break-even, trigger, trailing profit levels to match your trading strategy. And also lastly, this bot uses your entire USDT balance for each trade. If you want to use only a percentage, you will need to modify the pi function. And lastly, the complete code is available on my GitHub. Link is in the description below. Feel free to customize it and make it your own. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for the Python automation and trading bot content. I'm building a real tools that generate income, and I share everything here on this channel. So please drop a comment below if you have a question or if you want to see specific features added to this bot. Also, I'm working on a similar trading bots for Binance and Mex exchange. But which exchange would you like to see first? Let me know in the comments, please. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.